Hello and welcome back to the KAPPA Lab crash test. Today we have a KVE48 AN K-Venture monokey top case. This test I've been waiting for a while. It's time for the fire test. So we're gonna do a fire test and we're gonna go get some fire and light these boxes up. Let's go. Now for the fire test. We're gonna see how much heat these boxes can hold, and Alex is gonna get the fire and he's gonna get it going. I'll be on the safety lookout. Okay, so that's it's hot. Okay. Oh, it's still cold. Test approved.